Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Fadila from class B. In this video, I want to explain my material, and my material is semantic and pragmatics. So, what is the semantic? Semantic is a branch of linguistics that studies the literal meaning of language. It focuses on how words, phrases, and sentences create meaning throughout the structure of the language itself. In semantics, meaning is seen as the connections between language forms and concepts in the mind. This file analyzes word meaning. Sentence meaning, meaning relations, and logical relations. Semantics help us understand how language sends information directly. Semantics have 5 points. The first point is lexical semantic sentence. So, lexical semantic studies the meaning of individual words in a language. It includes word relations such as synonyms, antonyms, homonyms, and polysems. Each word represents a specific concept in the speaker's mind. Small differences in the word form can create a big difference in the meaning. The main goal is understand how words are used to express ideas clearly. The 2 points is sentence semantic or semantic sentence. Sentence semantics explains how word order and sentence structure create meaning. The meaning changes based on how words are arranged and how they relate to each other. It includes semantic roles such as agent, patient, and them. A change in the word position can change the whole meaning of a sentence. This area helps us understand meaning that comes from combining words correctly. 3 points is sense and reference. Sense and reference sentence. Sense in the concept or idea that a word brings to the mind. Reference is the real object or person in the words that the words refers to. A words can have the same sense but a different reference depending on the situation. For example, the President of Indonesia has the same sense but refers to different people. Over time, this idea helps us separate mental meaning and the real word meaning. Next is 4 point is compositionality sentence. The principle of compositionality says that the meaning of a sentence depends on the meaning of each word and how the words are combined. If the structure changes, the meaning changes too. This principle explains how language can create many meanings. many meanings for unlimited number of words. It shows that grammar plays an important role in forming meaning. The rover compositionality help us understand sentence meaning in a systematic way. Yes. The 5 point next the 5 point is entailment sentence. Entailment is a logical relations where one sentence grants the truth of another sentence. If sentence A is true, then sentence B must also be true. For example, Andy cut the bread. Attach the bread. The bread is cut. This shows that some meanings are automatically included in others. Entailment helps reveal logical connection in language. Is presupposition sentence. Presupposition is information that the speaker assumes the listener already knows or accepts as true. Some sentences carry presuppositions even if the sentence is negative. For example, Sari, stop smoking. Presupposes that Sari used to smoke. Presupposition help communication flow smoothly without extra explanation. They show shared knowledge between speakers. The 7 point, ambiguity sentence. Ambiguity happens when a word or a sentence has more than one meaning. It can occur at the word level or lexical ambiguity or a sentence level structural ambiguity. For example, the words bank can mean a financial institution or the side of river. Ambiguity can cause confusion if the context is not clear. Understanding ambiguity help us interpret language more accurately. The next material is pragmatic sentence. Pragmatic studies meaning based on context, social relationships, and the communication goals. Unlike semantics, pragmatics focus on what the speaker means, not just what the words say. Things like who is speaking, where, when, and why affect a meaning. Pragmatics explains how people express hidden or indirect meaning. It shows that communication depends on context, not only words. Is to have 7 points. The first point is speech act sentence. Speech act sentence show that a very utterance has 3 parts. It is locution, illocution, and perlocution. Locution is the basic literal meaning of the words. Illocution is the speaker's real intentions. Perlocution is the effect or response created in the listener. This idea shows that speaking is also performing an action. 2 points is they exist. They exist sentence. They exist includes words whose meaning depends on the context, such as time, place, and the speakers. For example, I, here, and tomorrow. Without context, these words are unclear or meaningless. Their access helps listeners understand what or whom the speaker is referring to. It is essential for daily communication. Is implicator sentence. Implicator sentence. Implicator is meaning. Implicator is meaning that is not said directly but understood through context. Speakers often use implicator to sound polite, indirect, or subtle. For example, someone saying, "I'm not feeling well today," can imply, "I will not join the exam." Implicator appears when someone follows or breaks conversation rules. It shows how language can carry hidden meaning. The fourth point is cooperative principle sentence. The fourth point is cooperative principle sentence. The cooperative principle says that speaker and a listener should work together for effective communication. It includes four maxims: quality, quantity, relation, and manner. When a speaker breaks a maxim, it often creates an implicator. Sometimes people break maxim on purpose to send indirect messages. This principle explains why communication still makes sense even when not everything is stated clearly. 5 points is politeness theory sentence. The 5 point is politeness theory sentence. Politeness theory explains how speakers protect their own and others' speech or social image. People choose polite or indirect language depending on the situation. Strategy include using soft words, giving reasons, or avoiding direct commands. For example, "Could I have some water?" is more polite than "Give me water." This theory helps explain how politeness works in communication. The next point is the 6th point is context sentence. Context is all information outside the words that influences meaning. It includes place, time, culture, social relationship, and shared knowledge. The same sentence can mean different things in different contexts. Without context, listeners may misunderstand the speakers. This makes context a key part of pragmatics. And the last point is a reference and inference sentence. Reference and inference sentence. Reference is how the speaker points to something or someone using language. Inference is the listener's process of guessing who or what is being referred to. Listeners use context clues to identify the correct reference. For example, when someone says, she has arrived, the listener must infer who she refers to. This shows the understanding language involves acting, thinking. Maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.